AliExpress versus Temu. Which is better? Shopping online has never been more convenient, but with so many platforms available, how do you choose the right one? In today's video, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two of the biggest online marketplaces, AliExpress and Temu. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your shopping needs. So let's get started. AliExpress is a well-established e-commerce marketplace owned by Alibaba. It has been around for years and offers millions of products from global sellers. And in contrast, Temu is a rising player in the online shopping space, operated by PTT Holdings, the same company behind Pinduoduo. Temu has made a name for itself with incredibly low pricings, fast shipping, and hassle-free return process. But how do these two platforms compare when it comes to pricing, product selection, shipping times, and customer service? Let's break it down. So, when it comes to pricing, AliExpress offers competitive rates, but prices vary significantly depending on the seller. On the other hand, Temu is known for its ultra-low prices and frequent discounts, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious shoppers. So shipping is another major factor. AliExpress orders typically take anywhere from 2 to 5 weeks to arrive, as many sellers use economy shipping methods. Temu, however, is much faster, especially for customers in the US, where deliveries often arrive within 1 to 2 weeks. And in terms of product variety, AliExpress has a massive selection since it hosts thousands of global sellers. And if you're looking for something very specific or niche, AliExpress is more likely to have it. Temu, while growing smoother and while it is really growing in the market right now, it still has a smaller selection overall. And as far as customer service is concerned, customer service also differs between the two platforms. AliExpress primarily relies on individual sellers for customer support, which means return and refund experiences can be inconsistent. Temu, however, offers a centralized customer service system with free returns, making the shopping experience smoother and more user-friendly. And buyer protection is another key point to consider. While AliExpress does provide buyer protection, the refund process can sometimes be slow. Temu, on the other hand, is known for its quick refunds, especially in cases of damaged or missing goods. So one of the biggest advantages of AliExpress is its enormous product collection. You can find almost anything here, often at very low base price collection. And because it connects buyers with a large number of international sellers, it's a great place to shop for unique or hard to find items. However, the downside is that shopping and shipping times can be quite long, and return policies are inconsistent since they depend on individual sellers. And Temu, on the other hand, stands out for its free shipping and hassle-free returns. Many customers appreciate how quickly their orders arrive, especially in the US and parts of Europe. Temu also frequently offers discounts and promotions, making it even more affordable. However, since the platform is still growing, its product variety isn't as extensive as AliExpress. Some customers have also reported that the quality of certain product can be hit or miss. So if you're looking for massive variety of products and don't mind waiting a little longer for shipping, AliExpress is a great choice. It's especially useful if you're searching for unique or niche products that may not be available anywhere. And however, if you prefer faster delivery and an easier return process, Temu is the better option. With free shipping, quick refunds, and regular discounts, it's a solid choice for shoppers who want convenience and affordability without the long wait times. Ultimately, both platforms are excellent for budget-friendly shopping, but if you're a beginner or value a hassle-free experience, Temu may be better fit. And on the other hand, if you're a more experienced online shopper willing to explore a wider marketplace, AliExpress is worth considering. Now that you know the key difference between AliExpress and Temu, which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.